Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I'll make something new out of old stuff. For this craft, we need plastic container, dry sticks, glue gun, and for decoration, jute rope. So friend, let's start. I made small sticks according to container height. Now I will fix it in the container. Friends, see, my flower pot is ready. Now I will make some flower using this rope. Friends, see, I made some flower. Now I will use for decoration. For my second craft, we need an empty container and any colorful wrapper. I have this one. I will do some designer shape to paste in this container. I got this much of oval shape from that wrapper. I mark on the container where I want to paste it. After finished, it looked like this. Now let me show you how I used it. So friends, that's for today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.